Namaste friends, welcome back to Ganway channel. In this video we are going to check some investment options that will provide you growth, steady income as well as some security aspect. All these things in one fund. So we are going to find about the top 3 multi-asset mutual funds where you will get advantage of equity, debt and gold investment together. This video is based on our analysis and research and there is no recommendation as such for any investors. In one of our previous videos, we have seen about the balanced advantage fund where we will get advantage of equity, debt and arbitrage. So today in multi-asset funds, we are going to check about the investment which is split across three or more than three different types of assets. These assets could be equity, debt, gold, real estate like this. So you will get ultimately the diversified portfolio where you will be able to balance your risk aspect and same time you will be able to generate some steady performance in your returns. Equity investment is normally known for the capital appreciation, money multiplication and wealth creation in the long term. So we have so many mutual funds already available in this category and you can take a look at the channel for different videos. In your diversified portfolio, you can invest some amount in debt investment for safe return, stable outcome and regular income aspect. Some people want to invest some amount in gold just because it is supposed to be a secured investment. Some people want to hedge the risk against the equity investment. Also, the historical appreciation has given some proof that in long term, gold investment has always given good returns so far. If you want, we have so many videos already available on the channel on all these investment types. Multi-asset mutual fund will give you one portfolio that will invest in equity, debt, commodity. The criteria as per SEBI is that minimum 10% in these three assets should be there so that your portfolio will be quite diversified. If you want to have any information about portfolio building, you can refer that video also on the channel. For which type of investors this multi-asset mutual fund is good for? In case you are a low risk investor, you want to have a stable and consistent return from your mutual fund investment. Also, you want to have some portion in the equity to generate long-term wealth. Also, some people want to have the regular income or regular redemption strategy. In that case, multi-asset fund can hold a good investment. Based on the asset allocation, multi-asset mutual funds are into two options or two types we can say. One is called as equity oriented where your capital appreciation is targeted. Second is the debt oriented where the equity allocation is less than 65%. There are some advantages in multi-asset mutual funds like it takes advantage of cyclical performance. We know that equity and gold doesn't go hand in hand always. So when equity is volatile, fund manager may tend to invest in gold more and vice versa. So this will help us to ride the volatility effectively and fund manager will be able to rebalance the portfolio frequently. This will help us to reduce the risk in our investment and have a capital appreciation with the equity investment. If you want to know about advantages and disadvantages of mutual funds, we have separate video also on that one. There are certain choices available in market in multi-asset mutual fund category. Like we have Axis Triple Advantage Fund, HDFC Multi-Asset Fund, ICICI Prudential Multi-Asset Fund, Motilal Oswal Multi-Asset Fund, then Navi 3-in-1 Fund, Nippon India Mutual Fund, then Quant Multi-Asset Fund, SBI also has one fund, then Tata Multi-Asset Opportunities Fund and UTI Multi-Asset Funds. These funds we have compared to find the top 3 funds for you. Anyone visited the channel for the first time, request you to please subscribe, like, share with your friends. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get notifications for our new videos. Everyone knows that in last 1 year Nifty 50 has given decent amount of return, that is more than 50%. So let's see how much return this multi-asset funds has given in last 1 year. So you can see here ICICI Prudential Quant definitely has given more returns than the Nifty 50 index. Rest funds are on your screen. If you want, you can pause the video for a while. If we see 3-year performance, then we can find Quant Multi-Asset Fund, then Axis Triple Advantage Funds are on the top, then ICICI Prudential follows. Let's take a look at little longer duration, like for 5 years. Here you can see Quant Multi-Asset Fund is still at the number one position, then ICICI Prudential comes, then Axis Triple Advantage Fund. If you want, you can pause the video for a second. If we invest for long duration, our risk is reduced so that we will be able to ride the volatility effectively. So let's take a look for the 10-year performance for these funds. Here for 10 years, if we see ICICI Prudential is at number one, then Quant Multi-Asset Fund, then Axis Triple Advantage Fund. We can't just rely on the absolute returns for lump sum investment. We should take a look at the SIP performance of these funds. When we have seen the 5 years SIP returns and 10-year SIP returns, here we can see Quant Multi-Asset Fund is at the number one, then ICICI Prudential, and after that Axis Triple Advantage Fund. So these funds have definitely given a decent amount of returns for 5 years and 10 years SIP investments. We should always check the expense ratios of the mutual funds also. So here if we have seen, the green color are marked as the funds which are really having the low expense ratios in both category, direct as well as the regular options. If you want to know about the regular versus direct and how much you can save, you can take a look at this video also. Now this is the time to find out the top 3 funds in this category. So let's see, at number 3 it is going for Axis Triple Advantage Fund, second number is for ICICI Prudential Multi-Asset Fund, and first number goes for Quant Multi-Asset Mutual Fund. Now you should understand the taxation also before you invest. If it is debt oriented fund, STCG will be based on your income and LTCG will be 20% after indexation. If you want to know more in detail, you can refer this video. In this list, only Motilal Oswal as of now is the debt oriented multi-asset mutual fund. For the rest of the funds, these are equity oriented. So your STCG will be 15% plus cess and LTCG will be 10% plus cess. There is an exemption clause. If you want to take a look, please check this video on the channel for the taxation. Always remember, you should have a strategy before you invest in any type of mutual funds. Like you should have a portfolio based on your goal, your tenure and riskability. You should choose the diversified approach and you should be aware of the income tax approach. How to do this SIP investments, STP investment or portfolio building, you can take a look at the respective videos also. Ganveda channel has so many videos on investment, mutual fund, stocks, IPO, insurance, tax. So please subscribe, like, share with your friends so you will get all the details in long term for your happy investment. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get notifications for our new videos. We'll stop now for this video. Have your happy investing. Thanks for watching. Dhanyawad.